Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of the Fogwing Edge Machine monitoring device. Let's dive right in and explore what's inside the box. Here we have the packaging of the Fogwing Edge Machine monitoring device. Now, let's open it up and discover what's inside. As you can see, we have carefully wrapped the device in bubble wrap to ensure its safety during shipment. Now, let's unwrap it and reveal its contents. And here it is, the Fogwing Edge Machine monitoring device itself. Let's take a closer look. On the front of the device, you'll notice a display and indicator lights, providing you with important information. Underneath the device, we have analog, RS-485, and current sensor ports for seamless communication with your machines. Additionally, we have a micro USB Type-B port for powering the device. On the right side, we have an RJ45 jack for easy Ethernet connectivity. And on the left, we have the power button for powering on the device. Along with the device, you'll receive a current transformer sensor, which will be connected to the current sensor ports. The quantity may depend on the requirement. Now, let's power the device by connecting the power adapter to the micro USB slot. Please be patient as the device may take a little while to boot up. And there you have it. The device is now powered on, as indicated on the display. Take a look at the LEDs on the device. The online LED shows that it's connected to Wi-Fi. The data LED indicates that data is being transferred to the Fogwing Cloud. And the HMI net LED represents the communication status with the HMI device. Now, let's connect the current sensor to the device. This current sensor will be connected to the machine's power cable. Before switching off the device, it's important to ensure safe operation. We kindly request you to press the power button for 2 seconds to shut down the device. Remember, once you connect this device to your machines, it will read their parameters and send the data to the cloud for further processing. You can then visualize this data using this Factrix application. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. See you next time.